The Redmi Note 7S with the Samsung Isocell GM1 48 megapixel sensor was launched earlier today. Redmi already has a 48 megapixel sensor toting Redmi Note 7 Pro in the market, the one with the Sony IMX 586. Now, we all know which is the better sensor, but can we actually tell them apart? If I were to show you two images, would you be able to pick which was shot with which? That's what we're gonna see in today's blind test. And now to make things interesting, I'm also kinda adding the Realme 3 Pro with its Sony IMX 519 into the mix. Now if you do end up liking what you see in this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Hey guys, Ash here, you're watching C4ETech. And let's get started with the first set of images. So I'm just gonna be telling you what I think about each image. Now here with A, the colors seem quite punchy. Now, since all three phones have AI scene recognition, I let that and auto HDR on since I figure auto is what most people will shoot on. So this is B, the colors appear more natural here. And C, I like the bokeh here the most. Looks nice and natural. And now we have them side by side. You can note down your pics, pause, take a closer look if you want to. Let's now move on, check dynamic range here. In this shot, A again is quite punchy and saturated. B feels more natural. Now with C, the colors are kind of all over the place. The greens, they've kind of overpowered the image. The AI seems to have lost the plot. Now here they are side by side, you can see what I'm saying here. Now in this case, again, A is quite saturated. B, true to the time of day, is realistic. C is quite pushed and saturated, but this time the AI seems to have done well enough that the image isn't messed up. So here's the side by side. Now let's move on indoors to Kratos chilling against a Sigma 85mm lens. Here's A. B seems quite good with the colors. And then we have C. Here's the side by side. Let's now move in for a portrait. A does quite well with the sky, retaining the blue. B loses out the blue of the skies, but the skin tones are as good as we saw with A. With C, the skin's smoothed out and the colors are again kinda messed up. Now here's the side by side. Let's wrap things up with low light. This should kind of reveal what is what, but hey, let's do this. A is quite noisy, B is much cleaner, and C is quite as clean but with a little crop. Now remember, all three images were shot with their respective night modes. So guys, now that you've seen the images, before I reveal which picture was shot with which camera, which ones did you like the most? A, B or C? I'm pretty sure you've made up your mind by now. Don't wait for me to say which is which. Just go ahead, go to the comments, leave a B or C there. Just let me know which one you really like the most. And here's the reveal. A is the Redmi Note 7S, B is the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and C is the Realme 3 Pro. So did you get that right? Did you predict it right? Were you able to pick the Redmi Note 7 Pro? The Note 7 Pro is the best camera in segment. The Realme 3 Pro does well under low light, almost as well. It is comparable under good light too, but its AI tends to mess up colors at times, and it also does really bad with the portraits, and that keeps it at second position. The Redmi Note 7S kinda cranks up the saturation under good light and remains competitive throughout, but under low light, the Sony sensors just outperform Samsung's GM1. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this quick little blind test. Liked the video, hated it, whatever you felt based on that, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, do that. Hit that bell icon if you haven't done that. And here are a couple of videos for you to check out, and also a link to our other channel, FTJ. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4ETech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.